Hello, how are you? I'm going to introduce you to a beautiful region and invite you to visit it and get to know all this beautiful place that the Caribbean region has to offer. But to get to the fun part and get to know all the beautiful place of this region, first let's know its location, climate, and how its people are. The Caribbean region is located in the northern part of Colombia. It's bordered to the north by the Caribbean Sea, to which is owes its name, to the left by Venezuela, to the south by the Andean region, and to the west by Pacific region. The Caribbean region is the mostly composed of the Caribbean continental plain. The main rivers of the Caribbean region are Magdalena, Cauca, Sinú, San Jorge, Cesar, de Atrato, and Rancheria. In the Caribbean region, climate is almost 70% tropical. Due to its location, it's the hottest region of the country. During cold year, it can reach temperatures of up to 30 degrees Celsius. However, these characteristics vary depending on the area. There are drier areas and other that reach 0 degrees Celsius. The desert climate is present in the area of La Guajira, which causes an arid and dry environment favorable to the growth of different species of cactus. On the other hand, there is the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, which, due to its high altitude, contains all possible thermal floors where temperatures range from 0 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The people of this region are characterized by being spontaneous, cheerful, music and dance lovers. From my point of view, people who live in the Caribbean region have dark skin or dark hair and like to dress in many colors. In the music that characterizes the Caribbean region, the influence of African rhythms can be felt in some way. The best known musical rhythms are cumbia, which identifies Colombia worldwide, the mapalé, the porro, vallenato, and the merecumbe. The dialect spoken by the costeños differs markedly from that heard in other regions of Colombia. This accent, which has its origin in the Andalusian dialect of Spain, has similarities with the Venezuela accent, a country with which it's linked by its Caribbean coast. In addition to this type of speech, one of Colombia's most important indigenous language, Wayunaiki, is spoken in the region. This language is spoken by the indigenous Wayu people in the department of La Guajira. And the activities that can be done in the Caribbean region is surfing or tubing in Palomino, sharing with the indigenous communities of Cabo de la Vela, be amazed by the beauty of the Tayrona Park, living in the Rosario Islands, life in a party in Taganga. In the Caribbean region, there are many interesting activities to do. I invite all the people who see this blog to visit this beautiful region and visit all these tourist sites. Cabo de la Vela, located in the High Guajira, it's a beautiful space where the sea and the desert take each other's hands and has several cliffs that embellish even more if possible to this tourist place. It's also an ecological and adventurous tourism, a lover of water sports such as windsurfing or kitesurfing. There reside the Wayuu, local indigenous people who offer day service as guides or to eat the typical gastronomy of the place. Tayrona National Natural Park. This park houses the pre-Hispanic ruins of the so-called Ciudad Perdida, a Tayrona settlement where more than 500 dwellings were discovered. Abandoned at the time of the Spanish conquest, this area was rediscovered in 1970 and is accessible only on foot. Mompox, Lost in the Jungle, it's one of the best preserved colonial towns in Colombia, located on the banks of the Magdalena River. It's said to be very similar to the famous Macondo portrayed in the book Cien Años de Soledad by Colombian writer Gabriel Garcia Marquez. After having gone unnoticed for many years, it is emerging again, and the proliferation of hotels and restaurants, its deteriorated facades and multicolored church are reminiscent of Havana. This place retains a lot of authenticity as it's far from the hustle and bustle and the tourist route. These are some of the beautiful places to visit, but there are thousands of places and activities to do with friends, family, boyfriend, or girlfriend. And this region has beautiful beaches where the color of the sea is as clear as the blue of the sky. There are exotic restaurants with delicious food to visit, so I invite you to visit each of the cities in this beautiful region.